So hey everyone, good morning. Nirmit here, back with another vlog. So guys, today's vlog is definitely gonna be a very special one. We're shooting the first delivered Aventador Ultimae in India. It's my friend Rohan's car, whose GT3 RS I had shot in the first vlog. So he recently bought a Lamborghini Aventador Ultimae LP740-4. The Ultimae is basically the last naturally aspirated V12 Lamborghini to be ever produced. There's only 250 units to be made globally. So he owns an Ultimae Roadster. Or what was that shade called? Yeah. Shade again.
Bruciato.
Jash boy. बताना कैसा लगा?
No words.
How was that highway? Also sorry, that tunnel pull, bro.
I have to change my pants.
Really?
It's not good.
We just had all the doors up, but yeah, we can't because we have to go get coffee now because it's mandatory coffee time. So what are you gonna get?
The usual.
So yeah guys, we're just gonna get some coffee and yeah, then we're gonna go up the ghats where we'll have 2 more tunnels where we're gonna use the car again. Much we were just shooting on the entire section of ghats here. Went out of the sunroof, took some shots from the side, and the car just looks okay. I'm gonna view this. It looks amazing. Jash, कैसे है देखो shots?
आ रहे भाई.
So yeah, we're just waiting for his friend to come and yeah, then we're gonna go down again and click some more rolling shots. Not me and Jash actually losing our minds on this. Jash?
No words.
क्या हो गया देखो?
No words.
अरे ऐसा देख के बोल ना भाई.
एक सेकंड रुकना.
Bro, look at these shots, guys. This is somewhat. Oh yes. We've gotten almost the same shots. Sean, losing your mind?
It's in my ears.
Guys, honestly, can't believe how incredible today morning has been.
Probably one of the best mornings.
Probably, yeah. I think hands down the best Sunday we've had, and all thanks to Rohan. So yeah, but amazing Sunday. Couldn't have asked for a better Sunday or a day to shoot a car, honestly. So yeah, guys, I think this is it for now. I'm just gonna enjoy the photos, and yeah, I'll see you when I jump into Lightroom and show you the photos. So yeah, I'll see you then. So guys, we are back home. Actually, to be honest with you all, I'm recording this after. Sorry about that. I'm recording this after a couple of weeks of actually shooting the car. I have been terribly busy and I haven't been able to record vlogs or edit them as much as I would have liked. But yeah, let's jump into Lightroom and let's see what I've clicked and all the photos I've got. So as you can see, my way of editing is a little different. I always rate my photos out of 5 and I tend to shortlist them before I edit, so it makes my life easier because I usually end up clicking around 500 photos of a car on an average when I'm going out for a car shoot. So yeah, I mean, I've got a total of 1,322 photos, out of which I shortlisted and edited 96. Usually I would take around 130, 200 photos, but again, even in that I tend to filter them out and see which one are most appropriate, I feel, for my edit. So yeah, I have around 100 photos which I've edited, let's go through one of them and I'll tell you all which ones are my favorite towards the end. Also, all these are edited using my preset called Blue Fade, and then using that as a base preset. As you can see, let's pull up a photo here. Let's see which one should we go for. Yeah, this is one of my favorites. Yeah, so this is a rolling shot of the Aventador, as you can see, on the expressway, and right now you can't see any of my raw settings because these are the edited pictures, so they are exported and they are as a raw JPEG, or just JPEG, I'm sorry, just JPEG. Picture is this. So yeah, as you can see, there are a lot of, yeah, as you can see, it's very blurry right now because of all the rainwater on my lens, and also you can see some spots here which was just dirt on my sensor because I forgot to clean my sensor before I was shooting, and that's just a rookie mistake, but that's fine. So yeah, so as you can see, these are my user presets which I usually use to edit pictures. So I put Blue Fade onto this, which makes the picture look like this. Also, this is just the data that's there, it's not some spot. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the file as it is after the preset, right after the preset. And then I do some fine tuning to that. I usually reduce the shadows, I reduce the blacks if they are too blown out, or I reduce the highlights, or I bring them up in this case maybe. Yeah, so usually I go from here, but then I also made a new preset for this based on it called the Ultimae. I have to just do some fine tuning to this as well, and it basically just looks like the picture that I have edited towards the end. So yeah, this was the photo that we were looking at. Yeah, I've done quite a lot of fine tuning, I'm sorry, but yeah, so this was one of my favorite photos. So it's all based on my preset. I would highly recommend you all to make your own presets to make your life easier in Lightroom, because you don't want to edit every picture as it is. Maybe you can try to get a little experimental with a few shoots, but if you have a style of shooting cars, or maybe just in general any sort of photography, I would recommend you all to get a preset or to make your own preset, so that when you know that you're shooting in that same style, that you can go home, just put that preset on, and yeah, you're done. You just have to do some fine tuning to that. Saves time, and time is money. So yeah, this is one of the pictures. So we started off at the parking where we rendezvoused with Rohan. So these are some pictures I clicked over there. Yeah, this is a rim shot of the brake caliper, which I really like to take. Yeah, so I stand corrected. The paint on this is actually called Arancio Bruciato, which at the time I was a little confused about because I was so excited just to see this car. Yeah, and this is a rare shot of the exhaust and the massive carbon fiber diffuser. Yeah, this is one of my favorite shots as well. So this is when we were heading towards the ghat upwards towards Lonavala. Yeah, and it may seem like the car is going extremely fast, but it actually wasn't. It was probably going 60, 70. It's just based on how you click the image. Since you see this is clicked at 1/20th of a second, so that really sort of helps you capture the motion of the car as it is. But I would also recommend please use a hand strap. Please use a strap for your camera. You don't want your equipment falling down while you're shooting a car, and please do not lean out of the car. I have made that mistake and it is dangerous. So either belt yourself up, get a harness, or just don't lean out of the car. Also, as you can see in this image, I've tried to go for a little bit of a cooler tone because of as you can see, the rains. It was peak monsoon when Rohan got the car, unfortunately, so we couldn't put the roof down, but that's fine. We got some really amazing shots in the rain as well. So as you can see, this is one of my favorite shots of the car with the wing up. Yeah, this is I just tried to use a very dark, contrasty edit on this one. This was while we were entering the petrol pump. Yeah, this is, my god guys, looking at this car after a while also just makes you fall in love with it. The doors up, it's just the Lambo, it's the Aventador. Yeah, so just enjoy these pictures, guys. Yeah, I'm wow. yeah, this is one of my favorite shots as well, of the door up. Yeah, very nice interior. Rohan got an insane car. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, this is also one of my very dear shots to me because it's one of 250 in the entire world. So this car is extremely rare. Yeah, and then I switched to the 85. So all these previous photos that you see, they were all clicked on my Sony A7 III with the Sigma 35 f1.4. And as you can see, I've tried to use a low aperture to get that background and foreground difference. And and then I just switched to the 85mm, which just made the car look more aggressive, as you can see. Yeah, again, this rim shot, which I really like. Yeah, and also this is cropped for a wallpaper, 16:9 aspect ratio. Yeah, just yeah, and these photos look straight out of Forza. So we saw a pump with orange highlights on the top of the, like, on the roof of the pump, and I was like, it'll go really well with the car's color, and the rain just made everything look 10 times better, guys. Try to shoot in the monsoons, but yeah, take care of your equipment. It's very precious. But I don't think any photo is worth losing your equipment over. Yeah, as you can see, these photos, they're just wow. They're some of my favorite pictures of this car, guys. Yeah, and also we were joined by one of our friends, Deven, who has an M4. Color is amazing. He has the M666 wheels on it, the M Performance rims. Yeah, it looks amazing. Yeah, these are some of the shots again, 35mm. Yeah, of Deven's car. Yeah, and then I tried to take my signature shot with the wheel turned and the car at an angle, which always makes the car look aggressive. And guys, remember to shoot from from the 3/4 of the car, like the front 3/4 or the rear 3/4, when you are placing it at an angle with the wheels also turned on the opposite side. Yeah, and these are some of the pump shots again. Nice photos, I really like them. Yeah, and then we headed up to the ghats where we got some amazing pictures. Although there was a lot of traffic, but we managed to get some pretty good shots, as you can see. So yeah, these are some of the rolling shots. Yeah, this guys has to be one of my favorite rolling shots of all time that I've ever clicked of a car. It's just how clean the picture is, and guys, I promise I have not cleaned up anything in this photo. No photoshopping at all. It's as it is as it is. It was so clean, and yeah, I'm so grateful for my Sony for capturing this at the right time. Yeah, then some more shots. Yeah, as you can see, now the traffic started to come up and we started to get a little slow, but yeah, that's fine. We tried to go up the ghats. This is a very nice shot, guys. It looks like a drone shot because I was leaning out of the I was not leaning out of the sunroof, but I kept my camera above the sunroof so I could get this shot. Yeah, then yeah, just a couple of more rolling shots, and then we came down, yeah, where I got this shot, which is very nice on a curve. Yeah, and then again traffic bogged us down. That's fine. I didn't really personally like these pictures, guys. They weren't focused. The car is not really clean and it's overexposed, so I didn't really send these to Rohan. Yeah, and then yeah, guys, this car is just amazing. Yeah, so yeah, so guys, I just wanted to conclude by saying that this has been my favorite car shoot of all time, and I was so thankful to Rohan for bringing out the car right after he took delivery of it for the shoot. I'm really grateful to him because this car is a rarity and it's just close to my heart. Personally, I love Lamborghinis, I love naturally aspirated engines, and this was sort of the last hurrah for the naturally aspirated V12 Lambos, which makes it so special. And to see a roadster in this color here, and for it to be driven so regularly is just amazing. And I think it goes to show that if you really want to drive your cars, you can. Obviously you have to be safe, you have to be careful of them, but yeah, they can be driven, and I don't think you should keep them in a garage, because these cars are meant to be driven, these cars are meant to be enjoyed, and I don't think they're gonna stay there for a very long time. So yeah, I mean, again, all thanks to Rohan for this shoot, and my boys Jash, Sean, for making it happen. Yeah guys, so stay tuned for the next vlog. I hope you all enjoyed. I will provide a drive link in the link below for you all to see these images for yourself. Download them, use them as wallpapers, DM me if you do. Yeah, and just enjoy guys. Take care, and I will see you all in the next one. Next one's hopefully gonna be a good one. So yeah, peace.